Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about something more powerful than talent, more valuable than luck, and more important than even money. We are talking about internal trust and learning how to keep your word to yourself. Have you ever noticed that many people want to feel confident, but they feel weak inside? They want to succeed, but they do not truly respect themselves. This happens for one simple reason: they break promises to themselves. They say they will wake up early, but they sleep late. They say they will practice English, but they scroll on social media instead. Every time you do this, you lose a little bit of trust in your own mind. In this video, I will show you how to rebuild that trust through simple, powerful lessons. This is a graded reader lesson, which means I will use very simple English so that beginners can understand every word while improving their fluency. So, please, open your mind, stay focused, and let's begin this journey to a stronger you. Lesson 1: Understanding integrity. The first thing you must understand is what it really means to keep your word. We call this integrity. Integrity means that your actions match your words. Think about it carefully. If you have a friend who constantly lies to you, eventually, you stop trusting them, right? The same thing happens inside your own mind. When you repeatedly tell yourself you will do something but you choose comfort instead, your brain starts believing that your words do not matter. It starts thinking, "I cannot depend on myself." This feeling is what destroys your confidence. To build self-respect, you must make sure that if you say it, you do it, even when you are tired and even when you do not feel like it. Lesson 2: The danger of easy choices. Why is it so hard to keep our word? It is because we often choose the easy choice. We choose easy habits and easy distractions because discomfort feels painful. But listen carefully, a comfortable life can slowly create a weak mind. Strength grows through challenge, just like a muscle grows when you lift something heavy. If you always avoid difficult things, your discipline becomes weak, and when discipline is weak, your self-respect disappears. Think about your daily habits. Are you choosing the pain of discipline, or the pain of regret? Discipline feels hard now, but it creates pride later. Comfort feels good now, but it often creates weakness later. You must decide which one you want. Lesson 3: Small promises build big trust. Many people think that only big goals matter, like getting a new job or moving to a new country. But listen to this truth: small daily promises shape your identity. Waking up on time, reading for 10 minutes, or practicing your English even when you are busy, these small actions train your brain to trust you. For example, imagine you promise yourself, "I will practice English for 10 minutes today." Then, the evening comes, and you feel very tired. If you still practice for those 10 minutes, something powerful happens inside your mind. You build self-trust, and that trust becomes self-respect. You are proving to yourself that you can handle discomfort. Lesson 4: Discipline matters more than feelings. One of the biggest mistakes people make is depending on motivation. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings change every single day. Some days you feel excited, some days you feel lazy or sad. If your life depends only on how you feel, your habits will always be unstable. Strong people understand that discipline must be stronger than feelings. They continue even when they do not feel like it. Think about practicing your English. If you only study when you feel inspired, you will not learn quickly. But if you study because you gave yourself your word, you become mentally stronger. Feelings change, but your values should not. Lesson 5: Growth lies inside discomfort. A lot of people avoid pain completely because they think happiness means constant comfort. But real growth actually feels uncomfortable. Learning a new skill feels hard. Changing a bad habit feels hard. Improving your life feels hard. Do not fear this discomfort, it is normal. In fact, growth lives inside that discomfort. Every difficult challenge you survive teaches your brain that you are stronger than you thought. Imagine taking a cold shower. Your body wants warmth, but when you step into the cold water anyway, you learn a lesson: I can do difficult things even when I feel uncomfortable. That lesson will help you later when life becomes truly stressful. Lesson 6. Who are you when no one is watching? Listen carefully to this. Your private habits create your public reality. Many people act hardworking only when others are watching because they want praise and attention. But real character appears in private. Who you are when you are alone matters more than who you pretend to be in public. If you only work hard for applause, you become emotionally weak because your motivation depends on other people. But when you stay disciplined in silence, studying quietly and practicing quietly, you build a deep confidence that no one can take away. A tree grows underground before it is ever visible above the ground. Your silent discipline today is what will change your future later. Lesson 7. Stop making excuses. The final part of keeping your word is taking responsibility. Weak people blame everything else, their parents, the economy, or bad luck. Blaming others might feel comfortable for a moment, but it makes you powerless because it removes your control. Even when life is unfair, you still control your response. Stop saying, "I was too tired," or "I didn't have time." These are just excuses that protect your comfort while creating regret. The moment you accept that no one else will build your future for you is the moment you start becoming the creator of your own destiny. Conclusion and call to action. Building self-respect is not a fast process, it is built by your actions every single day. Every time you keep a promise, your self-respect grows. Every time you continue during a hard day, you become stronger. Remember, the strongest relationship you will ever build is the relationship with yourself. Protect that relationship by being honest and staying disciplined. If these lessons helped you today, please like this video and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful lessons on motivation and English fluency. Thank you for watching, stay focused on your goals, and I will see you in the next video.